Sakshi and today I'm finally filming the Q&A video. So a week ago I announced that I would do a Q&A/dares video and then I completely forgot about it, and a lot of you guys messaged me and commented on when I'm going to be posting it. So especially Mehak, if you're watching this, I'm finally filming and I'm uploading the video, and this might turn out to be really long because a couple of you have sent a lot of questions together. So the questions video gets really long. I would make one questions video and a separate dares video, so you have another chance to send me more funny dares and I would do it in the dares video. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and without further ado, let's get started. So let's just get started with the video. I have the laptop here and I'm going to be reading the questions in the comments that you guys asked, and then I would also go on to one of the Snapchat questions that Aatifa just sent. So yeah, let's just get started. The first question is, do you have any boyfriend or a crush, and have you proposed any guy in your life? No, I do not have a boyfriend and I haven't proposed anyone in my life. I do have crushes. I really crush on Adam Levine, Justin Bieber and Ansel Elgort, if that answers your question. And I kind of predict that I might just end up living alone in an apartment with my dogs. So like I might just end up to be a loner. Who is your favorite YouTuber? So I would say like Indian and non-Indian YouTubers. So for Indian YouTubers, I would say Sherry Shroff, the Delhi fashion blogger Sejal Kumar, and a lot more. And then for like the non-Indian ones, I would say Alicia Marie, Nikki from Nikki and Gabby, and Superwoman, and a lot more basically. Like I have over 100 subscriptions on YouTube. So the next question is, what made you start a YouTube channel? So if you guys didn't know, I first posted my video when I was in grade 6. So that was just like a random video that I posted because I was bored, and then the people in my school kind of got to know, like the students, so they started making fun of me and I deleted all the videos. I posted like 3 videos like Heatless Girls and all of that. So I kind of stopped. But then when I entered grade 10, I wasn't very happy with whatever I was doing in my life. And I always was, kind of inclined towards beauty and fashion, and I always loved talking. So I thought of kind of putting off my skills on social media, and then I started my YouTube channel, and people did initially make a lot of fun of me. A friend made fun of me today itself, but then I kind of went through the I don't give a damn phase where like I didn't really care about people making fun of me and me having a YouTube channel. So I basically started off because I really wanted to do something in my life, and since I love fashion and beauty and since I love talking, I started making YouTube videos, and this really makes me happy. I kind of like sit a whole day and edit my video, so I love making YouTube videos. And to be very honest, I did not really expect reaching even 100 subscribers, but today I'm on the verge of reaching 400, so thank you so much for supporting my channel. Now let's just get to the other question. It is, what is your most embarrassing moment? To be very honest, I face embarrassing moments all throughout the day, every day. So I don't really have a particular embarrassing moment to share with you guys. How do you handle negative people? So basically, I kind of get really affected by negativity and negative people, I won't lie. But to kind of push myself away from the negative comments, I sort of try to bake. I cook and bake when I'm kind of feeling low or whatever, and I just try to listen to music or call my friends and kind of try to push the negativity away. Alright, so the next question is, what are your wishes in life and what do you want to fulfill? So I have 3 wishes, of course. So one of the wish would be, I really want to settle in New York or Canada. I don't know, I just want to. The second wish is, I really want to own a bakery in Mumbai in India and in New York. Like that's the ultimate wish. And the third wish would be, I really want to reach a point in my life where I can buy whatever I want to without sort of depending on my parents. Like I want to reach a point in my life where I can afford and where I can buy whatever I want to. So yeah, that would be my 3 wishes. The next question is, if God gives you magical powers, what is the first thing that you will do? So if God gives me magical powers, I would want to increase my height by 2 inches. So I have always wanted to be 5'8", but I'm 5'6". So if God gives me the magical powers, I would want to be as tall as 5'8". Yeah, that is what I would want to do. The 8th question is, who is a really close person in your life? I have a lot of people who I'm really close to. So my mom, my dad, my sister, I'm very close to them, and I'm really lucky to be in a family where I'm close to my parents and my sister, especially my sister. I'm very close to her. I talk to her about almost everything. And then I'm also close to my friends. I'll name them Priya, Hetvi, Manvi. So I'm very close to a lot of my friends. Simran, a lot of them. Yashvi. Like I have a lot of people that I'm close to. The next question is, are you still in school or in college? I get this question a lot. I'm in school. I just ended grade 11, and yeah, I'm a student. Who is your favorite Bollywood actor, and which is your favorite movie and book? So I earlier really liked Arjun Kapoor. I have 2 of his pictures stuck on my wall, but now I'm really crushing over Ranveer Singh. So Ranveer Singh, and then which is your favorite movie and book? So I have only 2 books that I'm really obsessed with. Actually 3. One is by Conor Franta, like The Work in Progress. The second one is The Fault in Our Stars. I love The Fault in Our Stars. And the third one is I Will Love You Until I Find Someone Else by the Joy Datta, and I actually just started reading it and it's really nice. The movies would be Pretty Woman, Tamasha, The Fault in Our Stars, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Hachiko, a lot of them. I have a lot of favorites. Then she also asked me to do a video on the things that I do when I'm bored. So I would consider that, but that kind of needs someone to help you film, so I'll try to do it. And then she also gave me a dare. So I am going to make a separate video on dares, like a completely separate video for dares. So you guys can ask me to do any dares in the comments below, and I will be happy to do it. And so just stay tuned for that. Moving on to the other questions, Prachi asks me, if you had a chance to go back in time and change one of the decisions you made, what would it be? So I don't really regret anything that I've done in the past, but I would want to change like one thing. I started talking to 2 people and they became pretty close to me, and then they sort of betrayed me and shit. So like if I had the chance to go back in time, I would not start talking to them in the first place. So that is it. The second question is, what is your favorite color, food, and what's your dream? So my favorite color is pink and like golden, and I love pink, I love teal, and I like golden. So yeah, and I love black as well. What is my favorite food? So I love pizza, and I really like cannelloni, and I like burgers. Yeah, and I love Subway. What is your dream? My dream is to open a bakery, like a patisserie, in either in Mumbai or in New York. I know like Mumbai, New York, but like yeah. Moving on, we have a question by Mehek, and she says, looking at that okay pinned on your board, and because I'm a John Green fanatic, my question is, what do you think of John Green and of course The Fault in Our Stars? P.S. Thank you so much for this awesomely wonderful video. So Mehek, thank you so much for this wonderful comment. I love John Green and The Fault in Our Stars. Out of all of his books, I love The Fault in Our Stars, and my second favorite would be Looking for Alaska. And I totally love his books because like I'm really into rom-coms and stuff, so I really like The Fault in Our Stars. There was a month where I used to watch The Fault in Our Stars every day. So like I watched it over 30 times, and as for the book, I love the book and I love John Green, so yeah. Now moving on, we have questions by Rachel. She is the sweetest. She comments on every video, and if she is late, she still comments in the videos, and she has really sweet comments. So her questions are, where are you from? So I'm from North India, from Delhi. My mom's from Amritsar, Punjab, and my dad's from Delhi, so like North India. What are you currently doing? I just entered 11th, so I'm studying. I'm a student. What are your future plans in academics? So I just consider doing fashion communication, and I also want to do culinary arts side by side. So that is all what I have in mind. Which is your favorite lip balm, EOS or Maybelline? I personally love both EOS and Maybelline. From Maybelline, I like the Electropop edition, and in EOS, I like all the EOS lip balms. How do you manage your weight? I do not really do anything to manage my weight, plus I'm not really that skinny or thin. I basically just don't do anything. I'm sorry, I'm not a motivation, but like... Alright, now if you guys didn't know already, I have a vlogging Snapchat with the name Arushi Vlogs, and I announced that I would be doing a Q&A, and if you guys want to ask me any questions, you can. And one of you, Atifa, did care to send me questions or whatever. So first I'm gonna be answering, opening the chat, and then I'm also gonna be showing you the picture that she sent. So she sent a lot of pictures. So her first question is, when did you think of joining YouTube and why? I just answered that. I started in 10th, earlier in 6th, and the reason I've already mentioned. The next question is, would you take YouTube as your full-time profession? If I get an opportunity and if I reach that point where I can take YouTube as a full-time profession, I would love to, because I love YouTube. The next question is, what are your career plans? So I'm kind of really confused in what I would want to do, but I'm kind of considering fashion communication and culinary arts. So I'm going to be applying for both of them. What are your plans for doing next year, like after 12th? I guess your exams are just over. I'm in 11th right now. I'm doing commerce. After 11th and 12th, I would want to go to NIFT for fashion communication, thanks to my sister, and I would also want to try culinary arts. Why did you join YouTube? I just answered that. Favorite YouTubers, TV shows currently. So my favorite YouTubers, I already answered that. And for TV shows, I will always be a How I Met Your Mother fan and a Friends fan. And I guess that's all. I watch YouTube and not TV, so there. What are you studying? I am in grade 11th and I am studying commerce. So that was it for the video. That is all I had to say and that is all I had to answer. Thank you so much, Atifa, for sending me all the questions over Snapchat. And I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And don't forget to send in more dares. I already have a few dares. So don't forget to send in more dares so that I can compile them into a dares video. And that is all I had to say. Bye!